Hello everyone, welcome to examplay.com. Today I will teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. There are two obvious advantages of enabling dark mode. The first one is you can conserve your laptop battery if you go with a darker theme. Second thing, you can save your eyes from excess white light or blue light. Let us get started. Open Google Chrome, type in the address bar chrome://flags. Chrome now displays a list of flags available. Search for the keyword dark. You can see the option auto dark mode for web contents. Make it enabled and then restart the browser. That's it. Please like or subscribe before moving on. Thank you.